Protein crystallography beamlines are the driving forces behind advances in medical and biological science. For scientists to understand diseases and the biology of living systems, they look to proteins.
All living things use proteins to carry out all of the processes they need to survive. So proteins are used to form the structures and skeletons of cells. Proteins also carry out all of the reactions in living things to allow them to function.
A second protein crystallography beamline has now been built here at the Australian Synchrotron, known as the MX2.
We have two beamlines, MX1, which is high throughput, and MX2, which is microfocus. So the MX1 beamline is a good workhorse for doing a large amount of science. MX1 is like a station wagon. You know, you can put a lot in it, it travels pretty well, and it's very reliable. MX2, on the other hand, is a high-performance beamline. It's more like a Ferrari. So MX2 has a very small beam, and that's important for very small crystals.
Amazingly, scientists from around the world are now able to gain remote access to the MX1 and the MX2 beamlines. All they require is an internet connection to perform important research from anywhere in the world.
With remote access, anyone in the lab, the students, the senior people, the junior people, they can all collect data on their own samples, and that spreads the synchrotron experience far wider. A lot more people learn how to use the synchrotron and use our beamlines.